Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you a legal passage on Hindu Marriage Act containing 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So get ready, 3 seconds. Start. Although marriage is held to be divine, the Hindu Marriage Act does permit either party to divorce on the grounds of unhappiness or if he or she can prove that the marriage is no longer tenable. Stop. A petition for divorce usually can only be filed 1 year after registration. Stop. However, in certain cases of suffering by the petitioner or mental instability of the respondent, a court may allow a petition to be presented before 1 year. Stop. At the time of the decree of divorce or at any subsequent time, the court may decide that one party should pay to the other an amount for maintenance and support. Stop passage. This could be a one-off payment or a periodical such as monthly payment. Stop. The amount to be paid is at the discretion of the court. Stop. Remarriage is possible once a marriage has been dissolved by a decree of divorce and no longer able to be appealed, whether there was no right of appeal in the first place or whether the time for appealing has expired or whether an appeal has been presented but dismissed. Stop. The most significant institution in human society is marriage. Stop. It is a common occurrence. Stop. The foundation of human civilization has come into the picture because of marriage. Stop. New social ties and reciprocal rights between spouses are created through marriage. Stop passage. When children are born, their rights and position are established. Stop. Every community recognizes specific steps for establishing these relationships and rights. Stop. Real marriage is the acceptance of a new status with new responsibilities that are acknowledged by others. Stop. Every society recognizes marriage as a socially accepted universal institution. Stop. One of the most profound and intricate human partnerships is marriage. Stop. In 1955, the laws governing Hindu marriage were formalized and put into effect. Stop. The laws governing Hindu marriage, restitution of conjugal rights, judicial separation, divorce, annulment of marriage, maintenance and guardianship are included in the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, which was passed by the legislature. Stop. Sections 5 and 7 of the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 address the requirements for a legally binding union among Hindus. Stop passage. The present article gives an overview of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 alongside explaining current developments in the same. Stop. The Hindu Marriage Act is an act of the Indian Parliament that was approved on May 18, 1955. Stop. The Hindu Succession Act 1956, the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956, and the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 were all enacted at this time as part of the Hindu Code Bills. Stop. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was passed to protect the legal rights of Hindu brides and grooms who are joined by the holy bond of marriage. Stop. The type of ceremony that must take place has not been specified by law because there are numerous methods by which a man and woman can be wed in accordance with Hindu tradition. Stop. The Act of 1955 is spread across 6 chapters consisting of 29 sections in total. Stop. The layout of the same has been provided here under. Stop. Over.